Hi guys, Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that bell, subscribe, like, comment, all the things. This week's video, we are doing another recipe that I found on the internet and just have claimed as my own. So this week we are going to be doing power balls or energy balls or whatever you call it. They're little balls packed with tons of protein. And I'm aware of how that sounds. Super easy, super simple, and it's only February, so I hope you guys have not broken your New Year's resolution. And if you have, that's okay, you can start again next year. These are a fun treat to continue your New Year's resolution and get back on that wagon.
Get back on that wagon.
So to start out with these power balls, literally it's only 6 ingredients. I know most of my recipes are only 3, but we are graduating up to 6. I have faith in all of you guys. So we're gonna start out with all of our dry ingredients. 2 cups of just old-fashioned oats, just like so. Then we're gonna do 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. 1/4 cup of chia, these are flax seeds. And then 1/4 cup of chia seeds. I'm just gonna give this a quick mix since these are all of our dry ingredients. This is gonna be so easy. Okay, we'll do honey next. I wouldn't be using any other honey except for Sanders Local Honey, our family's homemade honey. We'll put their ad up here as well. Super fresh. Oh, that is some gold. That looks amazing. Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna mix that. Last but not least, peanut butter. We're just gonna mix that all in here, and you guys, we're pretty much done. That was the easiest recipe ever. So I'm just gonna mix this in. It might take a little bit because you know it's peanut butter. Takes a minute or 2. And like, speaking of working out and stuff, this is your workout. So you go Glen Coco. Wah! Next, I'm just gonna get some wax paper out and we'll start making balls. All right, so now we're gonna start making the balls. Literally, it's pretty self-explanatory. We're just gonna ball it up and make balls and let it sit in the fridge or freezer for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be good to go. So Corey helped me do one, and he's done. So I'm going to do the rest now that you know how to make a ball properly, and you'll see it afterwards. So that is how you make protein power balls, energy balls, whatever you call it, tasty ball, maybe not that, but very good energy bites. That's a better way to say it, energy bites. But it's funny because they're balls. These are humongous, and there's 24 of them, so just so you know how much they're gonna make, 24 energy bites. So next we're just gonna pop these in the fridge for about 30 minutes and they'll be done. So we just got done chilling our bites, our tasty bites, and they are pretty solid, not very sticky. And now we're just gonna try them, and you just leave them in the fridge every day and then take a couple out while you're gonna eat them. So here's our protein bite, tasty bite. What do we call it? Energy bite. Super good. So these are super simple, super easy. Like I said, we graduated from 3 ingredient recipes to 6, and I'm so proud of us. 2020, freaking solid. These are really good. And like I said, if you're trying to be healthy, these things are packed with protein. You know, I don't know. All right, so let me know if you enjoyed this video of making these protein bites, and let me know if you're gonna make these because they're so easy. I don't know why you wouldn't. Like, you have to. You actually have to. Also, you can help the channel grow by commenting, subscribing, sharing the video. All those things helps us grow, and so we can make super easy recipes. We do some super fun challenges once in a while, and let us know what you want to see next. Again, thank you for watching. Whoop, whoop. Have a great day, a great week. I will see you next week. Goodbye. This could be something. More like energy bites. We'll call them energy bites. So that's how you make the energy bites. And there's 24 really big energy bites.
They're so big.
They are. They're really big. 20, but it's funny because they're balls.